One of the recent trends in automotive restyling is a seamless wrap. However, to wrap it right, we must always consider the limits of vinyl film. Some vehicles have sharp curves in the bumper, antennas, mirrors, rear quarter panel, and vents. These parts have what we call a three-sided corner. With the taillight removed, you can see that this corner has 1, 2, 3 sides. Before we proceed on how to properly wrap a three-sided corner, let's take a look at some common practices we should avoid and why. Some installers make the mistake of heating the film, overstretching it to get rid of the wrinkles, and apply it over the corner. This may have accomplished a seamless wrap, but this will fail over time. Tension is present in this area, and once it gets exposed to heat, wrinkles will creep and the edge will be exposed to dirt and water. Not good. Another instance is the wrong placement of a relief cut and an overlap. Although this will work in this application because the taillight will be covering it, some panels will have all three sides exposed. So, the seam must also be strategically placed. To wrap three-sided corners right, we have to make sure that there is no tension and it is aesthetically pleasing to your customer. First, lay down knifeless tape on the edge for trimming and overlays. Then, wrap the two sides using the broad stretch and expanded pocket technique. The detailed breakdown of each technique is available in wrapitright.com under how-to videos. After wrapping the majority of the surface, plan to place the seams on the edges so that they face away from the customer's day-to-day point of view. For a more durable install, opt for overlays on this vertical section of rear bumpers and trim with knifeless tape. Ensure that the film is firmly applied a little past the edge. Hold the excess film with minimal tension and carefully cut with a 30-degree blade resting parallel to the edge. This way, you will accomplish a clean cut without the risk of damaging the paint. Remove the excess material and seal the edges. Take note that this loose material will cover the top side with no tension. Apply the overlaying piece and trim the excess. Install the top side flat just past the 90-degree corners. Carefully trim the excess material, and since there's no tension in the edges, a 1 to 2 mm overlap is sufficient. Seal the edges with heat and pressure. This technique can also be used in commercial and fleet applications. Now, you can proceed with reinstalling the disassembled components from the car. Remember, as responsible installers, we should always strive for both aesthetics and durability. Your customers will appreciate it.